What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Season Studios. And today we're going to be showing you guys step by step how to get your rug prepared for shipping. We're going to go through the process of making the measurements to saran wrapping to even writing a little cool message on the back for your customer. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the family. So first thing first, we're going to put a little cooler message. I didn't add in the part where I wrote the message, but I used these Posco markers, Posco paint markers to write on the back of the felt. And then we're just going to roll it up very, very tightly. And after we roll it up, get a piece of yarn and tie it up. And then I slide my business cards between the yarn in the rug. So after that, you want to get your saran wrap. I bought this from this like saran roll or whatever. I bought it from Walmart a while ago. But we're gonna roll it up, like go around the rug and roll it up, making it very, very tight so it can stay in that form. So this is a little bit different because I'm packaging 3 rugs instead of 1. I've seen people just use the brown paper and ship it out that way. I like shipping my rugs out in boxes, just to keep it safe, you feel me? But now we're gonna measure out the length, the width, and the height so we can get the measurements right for cutting the box. Now, once all the measurements are, there and correct or whatever, I made a mistake because I didn't add like a half an inch to the measurements. So it's a little trial and error when it comes to like making a pre-made box rather than having a box that's already ready and fit for the sizes of the rug. But I try to make my boxes as small as possible that reduce shipping costs. Originally, I wanted to make the box like a rectangle, or whatever, but over time I realized that it would have been a little bit more difficult because the 3 rugs, the way that I stacked them is more so of a triangle. So then I went back over it and kind of made it more of like a triangular prism or whatever. This took me a cooler minute. Usually it doesn't take this long, but like I said, I'm shipping 3 rugs instead of like 1. So that's the reason for all the time. After I get the main parts of the box put together and taped up, I then go back over it and use the ends of the piece, because we would think that because we're making the box and all the measurements correct, that both sides of the box will be even, but really it's very rare. So I trace over the front faces of the box and then get ready to cut it out. Now, once I close the first front end of the box, I then go back in, add a little bit more business cards into the rugs, and I leave it open. The reason I leave it open is because I personally ship with Shippo, and with Shippo, they provide a packing slip, or, basically a packing slip, and I leave it open until I get all that printed out, and then I place the printing slip into the package, and then I close that last end. Alright guys, so we back, you feel me? And I know I didn't add in the clip of closing the box, but it's pretty much the same thing as the other side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the family. This is Season Studios. I'm out. Peace.